Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most emotional and transformative storylines to come from the Kardashian family in recent times. As we prepare for the new season of the Kardashians, Kourtney Kardashian has been opening up about something deeply personal, her healing journey with her mother, Kris Jenner. This breakthrough is not just about family drama. It's about generational wounds, forgiveness, and growth. Kourtney has always been known as the sister with strong boundaries, often prioritizing her own peace over the chaos that sometimes surrounds her famous family. But in this upcoming season, viewers will see a different side of her, a side that reflects years of therapy, self-work, and emotional maturity. In a heartfelt conversation with Kris, Kourtney confronted old memories that she had carried since childhood. These were moments tied to her mother's past mistakes, including choices that impacted not only Kourtney, but also her siblings. For years, Kourtney held onto these emotions quietly, but now she is finally voicing them. The discussion between Kourtney and Kris is described as raw, honest, and vulnerable. Instead of accusations, Kourtney chose to approach her mother from a place of self-awareness. She explained how her upbringing shaped the way she navigates relationships and motherhood. Kourtney has often credited therapy for helping her see patterns that were passed down through generations, and she's been open about the concept of generational trauma, how pain and behaviors can echo through families unless someone chooses to address them. For Kris Jenner, this wasn't an easy conversation. She had to listen as her daughter shared moments of hurt connected to her past decisions. But what stood out most was Kris's willingness to admit her flaws and express regret. She acknowledged that some of her choices might have left lasting scars on her children, even if they weren't intentional. What began as a tense confrontation shifted into a moment of healing, with both mother and daughter finding common ground in their love for one another and their desire to move forward. This breakthrough marks a major turning point for Kourtney. She's made it clear that she cannot change her family or force them into the same healing journey she has embraced, but she is committed to breaking old cycles for herself and her children. By letting go of the responsibility of fixing others, Kourtney is choosing peace, while also encouraging her family to consider their own paths toward growth. The upcoming season of The Kardashians promises to explore this dynamic in greater depth. Instead of just focusing on the glamorous side of their lives, the show is highlighting the emotional truths that many viewers can relate to: family conflict, forgiveness, and the difficult work of healing. Kourtney's candidness about her therapy journey, her views on boundaries, and her emotional honesty with Kris will likely resonate with many who have faced similar struggles in their own families. What makes this moment so powerful is that it shows a side of the Kardashian-Jenner clan that isn't always seen in the spotlight. It's not about business deals, red carpet looks, or headlines. It's about the messy, complicated, but ultimately human experience of working through pain with the people you love most. For Kourtney, this isn't just a storyline for television. It's her real life, her healing, and her commitment to change. As the season unfolds, fans will no doubt be watching closely to see how this newfound openness between Kourtney and Kris affects the rest of the family. Will this breakthrough inspire more honest conversations among the sisters? Will it ease some of the long-standing tensions that have played out publicly over the years? One thing is certain: this season is set to be one of the most emotional yet. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Kourtney Kardashian's healing breakthrough with Kris Jenner. It's a reminder that even in families where fame and success seem to overshadow everything else, the most important battles are often the ones fought in the heart. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and let me know. Do you think this healing moment will truly change the Kardashian family dynamic moving forward?